Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Coinzoom app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on your Play Store app and on the search bar simply type in Coinzoom. After you do so, you can find the Coinzoom Pro and you scroll it down and you can find the Coinzoom app. So hit the install button and in matter of seconds, the Coinzoom app will start to get downloaded in your device. So once the Coinzoom app is completely downloaded, it will now start to get installed in your device as well. So once it starts to get installed, it will take some time to get completely installed, but once it is completely installed, you can now successfully open it and find it in your home screen. So this is how you download your Coinzoom app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.